Let's go ahead and talk about driving in moderate traffic in the morning. So I'm keeping my space. The lights are in my favor. I'm scanning left, middle, right, always looking around, both hands on the wheel, keeping your space in front of you. You have a trailer up here hauling lawn equipment, weed whacker can fall out. Always looking around, looking at drivers, seeing what's going on. Their blinkers out, so it's hard to see what they're doing. And that's kind of the confusing part. And see, we don't even know they're turning because their blinkers out. That's the citation. That's the ticket if you don't know. So I'm looking to the left, I look to the right, I scan again, my foot's on the brake. And then I turn hand over hand into the turn. And then I turn hand over hand out. That's a pretty good turn. So then I'm accelerating smoothly, getting up to speed and taking my time. Speed limit here is 50. It's really easy to speed here. Also, this truck is hauling a ladder and other equipment. You do not want to be behind vehicles like that are hauling materials because they can fall out and come through your window, damage the undercarriage of your car. Green light ahead. You see me checking mirrors. I'm scanning the intersection. What am I looking for in the intersection? Cars. There's a car with a blinker to just see. They turned right in front. Timing. That's okay. They probably should have turned after we went by, but you never know what's going on. I'm scanning. I see 3 cars with blinkers. See, this guy's just cutting over. That's the dangerous stuff that I'm talking about. Right there, that driver to my left. You're now learning something. I like this because this is real life. You get a chance to see what drivers do. I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. And I think as people drive, they get careless. They don't work on their fundamentals. I'm trying to bring you value. And if you feel this brings you value, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna go ahead, pull into the middle lane. This is for left turns only. I'm just gonna wait. Here's my gap. And then I turn hand over hand in, hand over hand out. So I just want to say thank you. And if this brought you value, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I have great tutorials. Thank you.